Nostra, the Square is Yours, which is the traditional starting point for the intense candy throwing here. As you can imagine, the tons of boiled candy are being thrown on this day, not only here in the spring, but all around the town. Most people throwing candy are experienced comparsers and comparseras, which means that they, above all, throw it up in the air rather than in a certain direction. And it is worth pointing out that I've been living here for 7 years now, and still I've never heard of any serious accidents on this day. This event is the peak of the Carnival de Vilanova show. The Carnival de Vilanova is Festa Patrimonial de Interés Cultural, which means that the Generalitat de Catalunya has proclaimed it, let's say, a representation for a local kind of festivity. As far as I know, it's the only carnival in Catalonia which has that second carnival tour, 6 in total, is over. And it's time for these teams to go back to their premises, clubhouses, and have a long, nice lunch. We are in Plaza de la Vila, Catalonia 2012.